Alright, so you're going to want to open up your ISN to page 92 and label it Systems of Linear Inequalities. We're going to take out the fair model that you have, and the first thing we're going to do is fill out the example and the non-example. An example of a system of inequalities is x minus y is greater than 7, 2x plus y is less than 8. Non-examples of linear inequalities would be, ooh, that's not very pretty. 8x plus 3y equals 7, and 2x plus 3y equals 8. This is not an example because these are not inequalities. They are equalities or equations. 4x plus 2y is less than 6, or 3p plus 7q is greater than 8. This is not a system of inequalities because we don't use the same variables. You have the middle filled out there. So the definition for a system of linear inequality would be two or more linear inequalities in the same variable. Facts or characteristics? The answer is where the shading, ing, overlaps. So now I want you to get out that 10 graph. So now I want you to get out that 10 graph, and you're going to glue this below your Freire model on page 92. And we're going to graph the system of inequalities. X minus y is greater than 7. 2x plus 3y is less than 8. So the first thing we're doing is we're going to graph it. I like to use colors when I do this. If you want to also use colors, get some color pencils or some markers or just a highlighter maybe. I'm going to graph the first equation in orange. 7 divided by 1 is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remember, you have a 10 graph. I only have an 8 graph up here. 7 divided by negative 1 is negative 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we have a dotted line. If I check the point 0, 0, I have 0 is greater than 7. 0 is not greater than 7, so I am going to shade below this line. I'll use green for my next one. 8 divided by 2 is 4. One, two, three, 4. This shouldn't be 3y. This should just be y. 2x plus y, just like in our example above. Sorry. And 8 over 1 is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, this is a dotted line. And we're going to check the point 0, 0 again. 0 is less than 8, and that's true. So we're going to shade below this line. Make it bigger so I can do it fast. This area down here where they both overlap, this area is my solution. There's also a corner point here where the two lines intersect. That corner point is 5, -2.